In short amount of time, I'm going to explain how you can become addicted to discipline. So this video can literally change your life, but you have to follow everything that I say. I'm gonna explain it this way. To become addicted to discipline, you need to have a charged dopamine battery so you can find meaningful work fun. But what happens with most people is they wake up with a charged dopamine battery. They choose it to spend on maybe video games, scrolling, or watching porn. Their dopamine battery gets depleted. And when your dopamine battery is depleted, it is really hard to work on meaningful goals and find it fun. Personally, I deleted short form apps. I deleted Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, X, Facebook. I deleted video games even though I wanted to play them. I sacrificed it to find fun in my business and my work. So when you have a charged dopamine battery and you don't have any other option but to work on meaningful goals, then you will find fun in those goals. So you have to sacrifice cheap pleasures so you can have enough dopamine to find discipline and meaningful goals fun. That's how you become addicted to leveling up and discipline. By the way, if you want to know how you can change your life in 150 days, you can watch this video next. Peace.